Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reorganizing and cleaning out the fridge. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was so bad. You will see it later when I start taking things out. But today's video will be in collab with Brown Holiday and a bunch of other amazing Boss Babe YouTubers. I will have everyone's channel links and video links down in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And if you guys are coming from the Collabing List, welcome. I would love to have you guys a subscriber, and I hope you guys enjoy this deep clean fridge with me. And so pretty much I'm just going to be starting out by emptying everything out of the fridge. I'm checking expiration dates. As you see on my face, there is some stuff in there that needed to be thrown out quite some time ago. I even used the sniff test a couple times. So I'm just going to be working on that, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Okay, so now that everything is out, I am going to kind of go through a couple of things, mainly the things that were in the shelving on the door of the fridge. Wow, why can't I talk? I'm going to kind of go through those things and see if I have anything that's expired, just to make sure, and then just kind of organize each thing by like condiments and yada, jars, blah blah blah. And then after that, I am going to pull all the drawers, shelving, everything out of the fridge and start cleaning the heck out of it. this is the finished product. It is so much more clean and organized. I love how this all turned out. I feel like it just looks a lot more clean and just refreshed, and the whole organization just makes so much more sense now for me and my family. And I hope you guys enjoyed this deep clean fridge style with me. Don't forget to check out all the other amazing women who are a part of this collab, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and enjoy this video. Bye.